In this video, I'm going over my super ultralight filming kit in detail. It has a drone, a Bluetooth mic, and a tripod hack, which a friend on Reddit told me about, and I'm super excited to use it. This video is specifically for ultralight considerations. It's gonna be a quick video because I'm going out to the PCT in a week and I just don't have a lot of time to edit. So I wanna get out these three more videos before I get on trail. The drone is the DJI Neo mini drone, which weighs 4.76 ounces. I don't even feel like I need to explain why I wanted to bring a drone on a trail. It can follow me, it can do these like cool loop up things, it can be a tripod, it can just look right at me and I don't have to set up my tripod. When I saw that there was a drone for under 5 ounces, I was like, this is the perfect ultralight film piece of gear. Something to consider should you get a second battery, because the film time is only 16 to 18 minutes. I actually bought an extra battery and returned it because I found out that the battery's milliamp is 1,400 and a little bit more, which means with the 10,000 milliamp battery bank that I'll be bringing, I can charge it up to 5 times, which I'm not gonna do because I need that battery for my phone and other things, but I can recharge it 2 or 3 times, and 30 minutes or more of flight time between towns is more than enough. What are the modes that the drone have? How can it shoot? Follow me. The drone follows the subject from behind while recording. It moves forward when the subject moves away and hovers when the subject approaches. Circle. The drone orbits around the subject, maintaining the camera's focus on them, ideal for dynamic shots. The rocket. The drone ascends vertically with the camera pointing downward, capturing a top-down view of the subject. And then with the mic. Initially, I bought a lavalier mic, which is 0.28 ounces. And I thought that I could just plug right into the phone, then I can use it. The problem is it needs a specific adapter for the Lightning. It's really expensive. It didn't sound that good. And so I'm returning the Shure MVL mic, which I thought would be the lightest, and I'm getting a mic called the Young Grand wireless lavalier mic. I think it's cool. It's like a little cube. You'll see it on my PCT through hike. It sounds great. It's a bit deeper, but it's 1 ounce, which instead of being 0.28 ounces, but that's not a big deal because it'll be much easier to use. I can just plug it in and I don't have to deal with all of the adapters. Okay, let's talk about the tripod. The tripod hack that I found out on Reddit is to just use a hair tie. You hair tie your phone to a tree or put a stick in the ground, hair tie it to it, and now you have a tripod. I picked up a tripod which was a little over 2 ounces. I just don't want to bring another big piece of gear. I'm gonna try with the hair tie, and if I need to rebuy the tripod, I will, but I don't think I will have to. For me, ultralight isn't just about being light, it's about minimalism and having less things. And so having all these extra little things, I just didn't want to do that. So I'm not going to bring a tripod. We'll see how the hair tie hack works. And then to finish, there's other pieces of gear that I'm switching out for more powerful or bigger pieces of gear. Normally, I would use the Atom 3000 milliamp power bank, which is 2.2 ounces, and a cheap sort of gas station wall plug-in, which is less than 1 ounce. But I will be using a 10,000 milliamp battery bank, which is the one that everyone who through hikes uses, which is the Nightcore Carbon one, which is 5.29 ounces. And I bought the Mokin 40-watt charger, which is 2.47 ounces, which hurts. And together, that's an extra 4.5 ounces, which also hurts. But I have a lot more things to charge that, I have a 10,000 milliamp battery, and I have my drone, and I have my Bluetooth microphone, and so I really need fast charging. I'm planning to spend less time in town on the PCT, so I want to be able to go in, charge everything up in a couple hours, and just head right back out. Thank you for watching. That is my super ultralight filming kit. I started a specific Instagram that I'll be posting reels and things on while I'm on my PCT. It's extra ultralight. Go and follow there. There's nothing there yet, but I will be adding things as I hike on the trail. So thanks a lot.